Understanding Penny Pincher, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a commonly used phrase in English, penny pincher. This phrase has a fascinating origin and is often used in everyday conversation. Let's dive into understanding what it means and how you can use it in your speech. The phrase, penny pincher, refers to someone who is very careful with their money, often to the extent of being unwilling to spend it unnecessarily. It's a term that combines the words, penny, which is a small unit of currency, and pincher, which means someone who pinches or holds onto things tightly. This idiom is often used to describe a person who is excessively frugal or economical. The origin of penny pincher can be traced back to the early 20th century. The phrase likely evolved from the literal action of pinching pennies, which means being extremely careful about spending even the smallest amount of money. Over time, it became a popular way to describe someone who is cautious about their expenditures, emphasizing the importance of saving and being economical. Penny pincher can be used in various contexts, both positively and negatively. Here are a few examples. Positive context. My grandmother was a penny pincher, and thanks to her savings, she was able to travel the world. Negative context. Don't be such a penny pincher. It's okay to treat yourself once in a while. In different cultures, the attitude towards being a penny pincher can vary. In some cultures, being economical is highly valued, while in others, it might be viewed negatively, especially if it crosses into stinginess. It's important to understand these cultural nuances when using the phrase. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, penny pincher. Remember, idioms like this add color and richness to the English language, making it more expressive and vibrant. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.